Hi everybody, it's Nunu, your friendly teacher guide, and my purpose in this video is to provide an overview of the 4 small group discussion assignments that you will complete in this class, and I'm going to use small group discussion 1, sophistry and logos, pathos, and ethos, 500 plus words as an example. Okay, so what's the first thing to know about these small group discussion assignments? Well, they are small. You just have several of your peers in here. We don't have the whole class. And this gives you an opportunity to really come to know some of your peers because, of course, you are going to be with these peers in these 4 small group discussion assignments. So you'll really come to know some of the people in this class. And I think that's super important, especially in an online class where sometimes we can feel isolated as if we're alone. It's just us and the computer. And that's not the case in this class. Okay, what else do I need to tell you about these small group discussion assignments? It's this. Whatever the topic is of the assignment, such as sophistry and logos, pathos, and ethos, you already know about this topic because you have learned these critical thinking terms and concepts, which is what the topics are about. You've learned about these in quizzes, so you are ready for these assignments. You're ready to do them. Now, one other thing I need to tell you is about the 500 plus word count here. What is that? That's 2 pages. You are going to write a written response to a writing prompt, and that plus sign is the peer evaluations that you will participate in. You'll exchange ideas with your peers about whatever your thoughts are about the writing prompt. Okay, now let's go down and let's look at the layout of this small group discussion assignment together so you know what to expect in all 4 of those assignments. So the first thing is the assignment notes. So you want to read these very carefully as they'll let you know where an example assignment is, where the rubric is, which is how you will be evaluated or graded for this assignment, and other useful information. What comes next is our super important class rule, and that's to use artificial intelligence AI appropriately. And you know all about this rule because you took an AI quiz. So keep that rule in mind, all right? It's super, super important, especially in this composition and critical thinking class. All right, what comes next? We have an overview of dialectic learning, which is my pedagogy, the way I teach in this class that we learn through conversations, discussions with each other, learning about each other's viewpoint, who we are, and our perspective, how our viewpoint shapes our world view. And we want it to be that of critical thinkers, of course. All right, what comes next after the overview of dialectic learning? You'll have a scenario that you are going to read very carefully, and you are going to consider in your 2-page written response that is due by 11:59 p.m. on Saturday. So that scenario is one that you will be directly addressing, and I've tried to make them entertaining and fun and relate to our real lives, not be abstract, but these are things we deal with all the time. Okay, what comes next? We have our peer evaluations that are due by 11:59 p.m. on Sunday, and the directions are here. And below that, we have additional sources. They are optional. You can read or view these sources, and they'll give you a greater understanding of the assignment topic. Okay? Now, if you have any questions or concerns, come over here to inbox, send me an email, and I'll respond very quickly. Or come over here to Home in the left menu, click on Home. And in Home, what we'll see popping up, and here it is, we have this office hours icon. Click on it and you'll learn when my campus and Zoom office hours are. So if you have any questions or concerns, we can discuss them face-to-face in cyberspace or in my campus office at West. Okay, so who am I? You know who I am. I'm Nunu. I'm your friendly teacher guide, and I hope that this video was helpful to you.